Dear students, Model 3, Session 3. Today's session will discuss on types of leveling. Uh, there are various types of leveling. Number one is simple leveling, differential leveling, fly leveling, profile leveling, cross sectioning, and the last one is reciprocal leveling. We will discuss one by one. The first one is simple leveling. What I mean by simple leveling? Why this type of leveling using particular type of concept in survey? We should understand the concept of this simple level. It is the simplest method used when it is required to find out the difference in elevation between 2 points on leveled ground. Okay, you just remember this level ground. By using simple leveling, we can find out the difference of elevations between 2 points on level ground. Or in another way, we can say the operation of leveling for determining the difference in leveling, if not too great between 2 points visible from the single position of the level, is known as simple leveling. By seeing this figure, we can understand uh, O is the location of setting up of the instrument, and station A and station B. Here, as per this method, we can find out the uh, station's reduced levels. So, this slides explains how we can use the simple leveling with examples. Okay, we consider L1 is the instrumentation station and A is the known point of elevation station and B is the unknown elevation point. So to find out the RL of B, okay, by using simple leveling, we can follow the procedure. First, instrument should be set up, okay, by initial adjustment or temporary adjustment, that is centering, leveling up, and focusing. So once you done the temporary adjustment, then by using leveling staff or by the leveling staff is placed on station A, the known RL, that is station A, known RL is 100, and by using leveling staff reading should be taken on the station A, that is 1.04. So then we should calculate the height of instrument or line of collimation. That is, height of instrument can be calculated by using RL of A plus backside, that is 1.04. Okay, that will give the height of instrument. And we should find out the unknown elevation, that is point B, that is station B. Okay. Then the auto level should be focus station B. Okay. The leveling staff reading should be record. That is 2.42. To find out RL of B, there is a formula. RL of B is equal to height of instrument minus foresight of the instrument station B. That is the height of instrument is 101.04 minus foresight is 2.42. You will get the RL of B, that is 99.642. By this procedure, we came to know that the simple leveling can be used without changing of instrument. You can calculate the RLs. Uh, in another way, you can say same ground level or uh, and a change of without changing instrument station, we can find out the respective stations RLs. Okay, that is elevation of a point with respect to datum line. This type of simple leveling we can use in uh, building constructions or to set out or to check out the plinth height and floor height. Okay, different points of elevations can be used in this type of leveling. So we'll move on to second type of leveling is differential leveling. Differential leveling is a technique used to determine the differences in elevations between points that are remote from each other. Remote is nothing but distance is far away from one station to another station. Differential leveling is required the use of surveyor's level together with the graduated measuring rods. That is leveling staff. An evaluation is a vertical distance above or below a reference datum. By seeing this figure, by applying the second type of differential leveling, uh, we should find out elevation station B elevation. Uh, Here, station A is far away from the station B. Uh, in this case, change point is also occurs in between the station A to B. Here, change point to 2. That means instruments is shifting from one place to another place to find out elevations of a unknown elevation of a point. In this figure, L1 is the first instrumentation station location 1, that is L1. So here, as per the procedure of initial setting or temporary adjustment, uh, the instrument will be set up on L1 location, and by focusing or bisecting the staff reading on the station A, that is 2.45. 2.45 is the backside. You should remember the first reading is always should be backside. The aim of this example 1 is to find out the elevation of point B. So, after taking backside, we should move on to second reading. Here, there is a change point is required. So, if change point is required, automatically the reading should be a foresight, that is 1.42. So, without changing staff, we should shift the instrument from L1 to L2, and the initial temporary adjustment should be done. And after temporary adjustment, so once again we should bisect the staff reading that is on the same change point. So that is once again the staff reading should be backside, that is 2.414, 2.14. And then once again another change point is required. So uh, the same procedure should be followed till uh, end of the station B. Then you will find out the RL of the point B by using height of instrument method or rise and fall method.